I will be saving money regardless. So hopefully this turns out good. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something that is crazy, kind of, just a little bit. I have decided, after watching a plethora of YouTube videos, to try and do my own eyelashes. And you know, honestly, it was very impulsive of me to decide to do this, but I am all about saving money, and literally everything that I got was a total of like less than $40 when my appointments be costing 100 plus. So sometimes just 100, but sometimes 100 plus. But yes, anyway, I will be saving money regardless. So hopefully this turns out good. I'm a tad bit scared because I didn't buy no remover. But I have Prime, so it'll be like 2 days, but I would have to have them on my eyes for 2 days. So we're gonna hope that it goes well. I will link everything that I bought. I only bought 4 different things, but everything that I bought in the description, and yeah. Let's do that. Okay, so these are the lashes I got. They're individual Fad Lash Extensions, Amazon, all of it Amazon. I got 0.07. I usually get a D curl, so that's what I got. And I didn't get just one size because I wanted to use multiple sizes in what I'm going to do. So there's 15 to 20. There's 2 rows of each number. I'm probably going to be doing we'll figure that out. But yes. And then I got some tweezers, a tweezer set. A tweezer set. I don't know which tweezers you're supposed to use. I'm going to just use whichever ones look like I should be using them. Anyway. And then I got this glue. I'm not using professional lash glue because I'm not a professional. So I'm using this one instead. It's by Ardell Lash Tight Dark Adhesive. They did have clear in a different color, but I just got black because I think that's what my eyelash lady uses too. And then I got these little like cups, like little ring cups, so I can put the glue in there. And I think that's it. I do need to go and clean my eyelashes, so I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I saw in like a couple of videos that I watched lash mapping. I didn't map anything. I'm gonna do 4 longer ones to, I guess, like section it off, and then I'm gonna fill them in with smaller, like different, like variety or whatever. I hope this is being explained right because honestly, I don't know what I'm doing, but I kind of do. So that's what we're gonna go with, the kind of part. So yeah, I'm scared, kind of. Okay, these are the 2 that I'm gonna use. Hold them closer to you. And also I'm going to be placing them under instead of on top because obviously I'm not on top. My mirror is under. I hope this goes well, guys. I hope it goes well. Anyway, let's get started. That didn't go well. Let's do a fan. Tired already. Alright, so far, this is what I did on this eye. Excuse my horrendous eyebrows. Them shit. Let me brush those. Good God. But yeah. Comparison between my eye with no lashes and then the ones I just put on this right side. Debating on if I should thicken this one out because I usually do them a little bit thicker than this, or just start on the other side and then thicken both of them out at the same time. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So that's the progress. Yeah, stay tuned. It's been a while, but these are how they look right now. I've thickened them in majority of the way. I'm just doing like a couple more like fans. Ooh. And then I'll be done. And I will show you the final results in a second. Okay, y'all, so this is, zoom in. This is the grand finale. Just a little, you know, situation. I didn't use that much glue, at least I don't think. I used majorities, almost the 16 and 17 that I used. I almost used the same amount. I used a little bit of 15 in the insides and then a smidget of 18 on the outer corners. But the rest was just 16, 17 mixed around. And I think they look good. Less than $40. I mean, it took a minute, but it was my first time, so obviously the duration will go down the more I do it myself, obviously. But yeah, I will do my makeup soon and add it to the end also, but it'll probably be tomorrow. It might be tonight, but it also might just be tomorrow. So yeah, I am satisfied for sure.
Yeah. For the dogs, them, you know?